So in this video, I want to show you how you can extend a music track using Suno AI. So we're going to be going through two methods. So the first method is where you've got an existing music track created in Suno, and the second method is when you upload an existing music track and you can use Suno AI to extend the track. If you've already created a track inside Suno, extending it is very straightforward. So from the home page, select Create and locate the soundtrack that you want to extend. So here I have an instrumental music that I want to extend. So let's have a quick listen. So this cinematic track goes for about 2 minutes and 49 seconds. So I want to be able to extend this so it's a bit longer. So to extend the track, just click on the ellipsis or the three dots, and then under the Remix and Edit button, select Extend. Suno will now open up the extended view, where it will automatically add reference to the prompt in the original track so that the mood, the style and instrument remains consistent. Next, you'll need to let Suno know which part you want to keep by using the slider here. So if there's a specific section of the track you want to extend from, you can enter in the timestamp here. Once you've selected the section you want to keep, you can now click on Create to extend the music track. And Suno AI will now create two extended versions of the music track for you. And you can see he has extended one of the tracks by 13 seconds and the other one here by 47 seconds. Now to listen to the extended version, just click on the play button. And now let's have a listen to the second extended version. Now, if the extended version isn't quite right or what you had in mind, you can always regenerate it until you get the results that you're happy with. Now, to get the full version with the extended track, just hover over the music track and select Get Full Song. And this will now generate the full song with the extended version. And you can see here the track's now extended to 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So let's just have a quick listen to the track. We won't need to listen to the full track. However, I just want to play the section that we extended to make sure that the music flows. Now, Suno AI did a really good job in terms of extending that music track, and it just made it sound so seamless. Now, if you have an existing music track that you want to extend that wasn't created in Suno, you can upload your file and extend the music track using Suno. To upload the file, select Audio, and then upload your file. And then once the file has been uploaded onto Suno, click on Remix and Edit, and click on Extend. Now Suno is asking if I want to override the current style, so I'll just say Keep Current. And similar to before, you can use the slider here. You can select the section that you want to keep, and then select Create to create the extended version. Now anytime if you want to download the full song, you click on the ellipsis, and select download, and you can download the music track from here. Now, if you don't already have an account, make sure you hit the link in the description below where you can try it out for free and get some free credits. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how you can create instrumental music using Suno, make sure you hit on the next video and I'll walk you through step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.